In this video, we're going to factorise the quadratic x squared plus 6x minus 2 by completing the square. So before we even start the completing the square method, we need to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So in this case it is 1, so we can move straight along into the method of completing the square. So step 1 is to look at the coefficient in front of x, and the first thing we do to that is we take it and we halve it, so we get 3, and then we square that term, and in this case we get positive 9. So the second step and the third step, which we'll combine, is to take the original expression, so x squared plus 6x, and then we're going to add on the 9, and then we're going to subtract it away so we maintain the expression, and then of course we've still got the negative 2 that was associated with the original quadratic. So the beauty of this is that the first 3 terms are a perfect square. So in step 4, we take the first 3 terms and we factorise those as a perfect square. So x plus 6x plus 9 is the same as x plus 3 all squared. And the 3 here comes from the half b term that we had up in step 1. So if you wanted to check for yourself, x plus 3 all squared does in fact give x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then of course we've still got minus 9 minus 2 left over from before. So step 5 is to simply collect up all the other terms. So we get x plus 3 all squared minus 11, and that's the factorised form for the quadratic x squared plus 6x minus 2. So the final thing that we can also say is that the turning point occurs at the coordinate xy is equal to negative 3 comma negative 11.